Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Whale Crypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin, some of the altcoins, and we will go back test all the signals, all the things that we have done yesterday, and just to make things better. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do make sure to subscribe to the channel. Do make sure to like this video without any delay. Let's get into it. Okay, so first thing first that we will talk about is Bitcoin. Yesterday I informed you two possible moves for the Bitcoin. Depending on that, we will be looking forward to our entries inside the Bitcoin. All right, so in this case I was morely bearish, and you can see that clearly we have got a good rejection from the zone. As soon as we got a rejection after a consolidation, we got a good down move in the midnight. When if you are Indian, you might know, while there was a night, we have seen a good crash or good downfall inside the price of Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin had already broken the zone, and the rest, like Ethereum, I informed you about the Ethereum as well. I took a short position inside the Ethereum as well, which gave me a good amount of profit while I was sleeping, because I set my entry, stop loss, and take profit that was nearly right here. But it hit up very early, and eventually it gave me a very good amount of profit. I put my stop loss. I was about to provide you a signal, but until unless I'm 200% sure about the thing, I don't usually provide you signals. Anyways, if you see my setup, that had worked out pretty well. I informed you the reason I took this setup was very clear. It was forming an head and shoulder pattern. You can see that clearly. Okay, and so it has to go low, and that was I was so confident about it. As I was sleeping, I didn't want it that if I'm not able to handle the position, I would not going to be looking out for a open order or a open target. Okay, so that's why I kept my target and stop loss, and that already hit, and the profit is in my pocket. Coming up with the next that we talked about, that we took the entry from, I also informed you this signal in my Telegram. So most of you guys have taken this signal. Some have made 350% profit, some have made more, some have made less. Anyways, depending on the leverage that you have taken, it had given us immense amount of profit. As of now, this is a local support for the BNB. So what could possibly happen right now is gonna be, and this could be the move. This could be a possible move. We need to check out that if of four targets. If you see my targets, I provided you scalping targets in this range, and the rest of our targets are below this area. This is called scalp swing. Both the trades are set up in one. Okay, and if you see my stop loss, our stop loss, not like other people out there, our stop loss is very reasonable that you can take. Okay, it's not something that is I'm going to provide you very far, and I'm going to say, see, our stop loss didn't got hit. I'm very reasonable. I'm very the realistic person who do trades with you guys, live orders. I'm tracking it with you, and I do provide you the results. So whatever you guys are gaining, I'm gaining too. If you are going to lose, I'm going to lose it too, because we both are going to be taking the same signals right here. So this is the beauty of our channel. Anyways, so this is the local support. So if you haven't booked your profit yet, you can start booking your profits in this range, because I also booked a lot of profit right here. What could possibly happen is it can go up, and then it can break down. We need to watch out this resistance area for the BNB. On the other hand, I also informed you about the Dogecoin, and the Dogecoin also provided us immense amount of profit. If you do see that we have got, if you take it in the previous video, I informed you from right here. So it is 13% profit, and I was informing you in the previous video, if you are looking for a short opportunity, in that case you might need to wait for this area to breach. Okay, I'm sorry, let me just do it this way. So this was the area of a support, like just like BNB right here. If you see, this is the area of support. Now the same one, this was the area of support, and once it, I'm sorry, this was, they are two. So okay, let me take you in the 1 hourly time frame. So these are the two supported areas. Okay, this was one. Okay, you can see there's a wick right below it, and then the price moved up. When I see a small rising wedge in 15 minutes, you can clearly see this. Once I see this rising wedge, I again took a short entry inside the Dogecoin, and now I'm running in a huge profit already. So again, we are nearly at the support area. So I have already booked some of it, and rest I've kept my trailing stop loss, so I have nothing to worry about. So this was all about it. Yesterday we have went through tremendously many good trades. Bitcoin, yes, we also booked some profit out of it. Some people might be holding it. So I believe most of you have made good profit out of it. Anyways, some of you asked me for, I informed you to comment down on my last video which coin analysis do you need. So we will talk about Anchor, as somebody had posted about it. So Anchor had been going up pretty well. It's been in a huge uptrend for a very long day, many days. But there is a crucial point for the Anchor, and we need to understand the same for the Bitcoin. So in order to get a confirmation, in order to get any strength inside the altcoins or the Bitcoin, I'm sorry, in the altcoins or the Ethereum, we need two things to happen. The first thing is the BTC at least needs to stay, find a support and stay at that zone for 24 hours in order to get alts to perform well. Okay, otherwise the Bitcoin should be in uptrend, or the Bitcoin should be on a stable zone in order to get our alts to go any further. Right now the Bitcoin is making lows for 3%, and the alts have if we just talk about BNB. So BNB is a big one. So let's talk about something like a Dogecoin. On the other hand, if you see the Dogecoin had fallen down very much. So the meme tokens and the it's from yesterday, 11%. So by just falling for 3% for the Bitcoin, we can see a drastic fall inside the altcoin. So I'll suggest you not to take any long positions right now until and unless the Bitcoin is not finding a good support. And once we see a support and once we see a bounce back, yes, surely we can look for a long opportunity inside the Anchor. You didn't mention are you in a long position or a short position, but let me just tell you right away that we are at a resistance area. This is purely a resistance area. Multiple times we have seen. So in order to go any further, the Anchor needs to get a flip above the range of 0.3226. Once we get a flip above this range, and if we don't see a liquidity trap, then sure, like this, okay, a 4 hourly closing below above this area about 0.36 can be expected. So this could be the move. If Bitcoin stays normal. If not, then in that case, the other scenario that I purely believe could happen is okay. I'm not saying that you might be wondering that I'm providing you analysis for both the sides, but in order to get things much easier for you, if you are looking for a new setup inside the Anchor, what you are looking for right now is going to be either you need a break above this level for a long position, simple as that, or you need a break below this level, this trend line that is acting as a support multiple times. You can see that multiple time it act as a support. Once we break below this, we can look for a short opportunity inside the Anchor. Right now it's in a nil zone. So this was all about today quick market update and previous analysis that how we had went through. I truly believe that you have enjoyed it, And if you do want what could be the next move the Bitcoin in the coming days or in the coming weeks, do let me know. You do want to know it, so I'll make another video today and I will inform you detailed information about it. Okay, and do try to inform me what other videos do you need. Do you need videos on how to trade? Do you need videos on like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, or if you want videos on risk management, what all things that you need, do make sure to like the video and show your love in the comment section, and I will prepare new videos on that basis. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the